Gen X in the building. My parents worked so many jobs. I raised myself, cooked ramen and hot dogs to feed myself. But I had to make sure I did the chores, or my parents made me take the belt off the shelf. Went to Catholic school till the 4th grade. They tried to make me right-handed with a ruler, because according to the myth, lefties were devil-made. I got my clothes from the Salvation Army, army surplus and hand-me-downs. But they never stopped me from wearing it with pride, because it made me appreciate coming from nothing, then achieving my goals in life. So you can say what you want about me, I don't give a fuck, especially if you can't say it to my face, because I'll rough you up. Looks are deceiving, don't underestimate me, cause there's a reason people go quiet when they see me.